You can actually change the charging speed on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. So to do this, simply go into settings, and under settings you want to find battery and power saving, and then you want to select battery health and charging, and here you should be able to see charging speed. And now by default it is set to smart charge, which intelligently adjusts the charging speed for the best charging effect. Or you can select low temperature charge, which reduces the battery temperature while also charging to extend its lifespan. This will also reduce the charging speed. So for a fast charge, you can select smart charge, and for slower charge but ensured battery protection, you can select low temperature charging. Now, it may not be possible to switch the charging speed if you don't use the original charger that came with the phone, but that's basically how to change the charging speed on your Tecno Camon 50 Pro or 50 Ultra. Take care and God bless.